Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to learn how to create a flag using cloud simulation in Blender. Now let's get started. First of all, we're going to create a flag using a plane. To insert a plane, press Shift A and then go to plane and select it. After inserting the plane, we're going to rotate it in the x-axis. To do that, press R and then X 90, and then go to front view and then go to edit mode to edit the plane, and we're going to select the two vertex and then we're going to edit it by pressing G in the keyboard and drag in the x-axis so that we will get a rectangle shape. And we're going to subdivide the plane by a right click and then subdivide, and number of the cuts we're going to all the way up to the 10, which is maximum. Then go back to object mode and then we're going to add a modifier. For that, go to modifier properties and then select subdivision surface. Because of the subdivision surface modifier, we got some round edges in the rectangle, so we don't want that in our flag. To fix that, go to edit mode and then select all the edge loops of the rectangle and open the tool by pressing N, then go to item, then you'll see a mean crease. And what you want to do is you have to drag all the way up to the 1. So that's how we fix the round edge of the rectangle. And now go to object mode, and then what we are going to do is we're going to drag the flag a little bit in the Z axis by pressing G and then Z. And after that, what we're going to do is create a vertex group. To do that, go to vertex property panel and go to the edit mode, and then you can select any vertex from the any corner. After that, we need to create a vertex group. So to do that, go to vertex group and then press on the plus icon, and then let's rename it to pin and then assign it, and go to physics property panel. And before that, we need to go to object mode and then let's select a cloth and go to hamburger menu and then select silk and go to shape and then select a pin group called pin that we have created earlier, and then go to collision and select the self collision. And now let's see how the flag is working. Yep, it's working fine. That's good. Let's smooth it by right click and then shade smooth. Let's play again. This looks much more better. Now let's give a texture to the flag. To do that, go to shading and now click on the new button to create a new shader. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to add image texture. So shift A and then go to texture and then image texture, select it, and let's join the color to the base color node. After that, open the texture that you have downloaded from the internet. For me, I have downloaded a Japanese flag, so I'm going to use that. You can use any kind of flag that you want to use. And let's turn on the material preview to see the texture. Let's add a force field. To add a force field, press Shift and A and go to force field and then select wind. Now let's bring the wind near to the flag and then let's rotate it. Right now let's play once. and it does not work because we didn't increase the wind strength. So let's increase the wind strength to 1500 and let's play it. Now the flag is started waving, and for me it's not powerful enough for the wind, and so that I'm going to change the strength to 5000, and you can play with the strength and other settings. And now let's add a flagpole. So we're going to use a cylinder, and then let's scale it down, and let's bring it to a side by pressing G and X, and then let's go to edit mode and then select the top edge loop, and let's grab by pressing G and then press Z to move in a Z axis. Let's align the pole with the flag, and there you have it. The flags looks great. And let's shade smooth the pole. Now let's give a material to the pole by going to the material properties and then press new, and we're just going to use base color to maybe a silver color. Now let's play the simulation once more. Right now the flag is not colliding with the flagpole, so because we didn't assign as a collision. To assign a collision, select the pole and go to physics property panel and then select collision. And now let's see how simulation works. Before that, let's realign the flagpole. Now it's looking pretty good. Now let's see how it works. Yeah, it's working great. If you want the flag to be blown from its initial position, what you can do is you can delete the force field, that's the wind. Even if you delete the force field, it's still like there's a wind effect, because we need to refresh the setting of the flag in the cloud simulation and then make changes in setting. After making changes, then you can refresh it. Now the cloud simulation has reset, and now the flag has been reached to its neutral position. And then what you can do is you can go to modifier and then apply the modifiers. And there is some issues, the flag does not stay in the position, because what we need to do is we need to apply the subdivision surface first, and then let's the cloud modifier, and it's going to work. Now let's create the force field. To do that, shift A and then go to force field and then select the wind once again, and then readjust its location. And come back to the physics property panel, and then let's give a wind strength of 5000. That's great. It didn't work, I think, because we have applied the modifier before, so we need to reassign the growth simulations once more to the flag. And now let's play the simulation. The flag didn't stay in the place. I think it's because we applied the modifier earlier and then we didn't assign the pin group. That's why it's blown away. And to fix that, go to include simulation, go to shape, and then let's reassign the pin group that we have created earlier. And let's turn on the self collision, and that's it. Now I believe everything works good. Let's see the simulation once more, and there we have it. And this is it for the today's tutorial video, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial video. Bye.